Hey, today I will be showing you how to find the area of a triangle. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first let's get familiarized with the formula for finding an area of an oblique triangle. There's three forms to this formula, and it depends what information you're given, depending on which one you're using with the information you're given. So the first one is 1/2 times A and B and sine C. The second is 1/2 times side A times side B times sine B. And the third one is 1/2 times B times C times sine A. Notice how they're all related to each other in a way that you have to use all the information given in a problem. Okay, so let's see how that looks like with a triangle measure. So I'm sorry you can't see that C, but that's a C. So if, for example, sine C was given, which is the angle measure of sine C, which is that angle, then we'd use the first formula. And if sine C was given, then side A, which is this part of the triangle, that would be given, and so would side B. Okay, here's our problem. Sorry if you can't see that, the lighting is really bad. Okay, so first we're gonna get started by drawing a picture of our triangle. So here is our drawn picture of our problem, so you can see. Now we have to use one of our oblique triangle formulas. So since angle of B is given, which formula should we use? 1, 2, or 3? If you chose number 2, then you're right. We use number 2 with the given information because it suits our problem. So here's the equation, just rewritten. So we just plug in all the numbers. Okay. So we have 1/2 times A, which is 8 yards. 8 yards times 5 yards, which is our side A or side C, and the sine of our angle given, which is 125 degrees. And now here is what it should look like. The Y stands for yards. Express all factors or all numbers in appropriate units. So what we do is we plug this information in our calculator. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode, or else your answer will not be correct. Okay, so let's say 1/2, which is 0.5, so 0.5 times 8, which is side A, and times 5, which is side C. And that will take care of the 1/2 times 8 times 5. And that is 20. And now we hit the answer button to keep the 20, and we times the 20 by the sine of 125 degrees. So we just do that, sine of 125. Here it is. Okay, I hit the answer button. So here's our answer, and we always want to express our answer in the nearest tenth of a unit. So our answer is 16.4. since that 8 rounds are 3, 2, or 4. And don't forget that we need to express this in the right terms, so it would be yards squared. And that is how we find the area of that triangle.